Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you guys a Christmas tutorial on this look right here, and I'm posting this on Christmas morning for you guys. So please sit down, drink a cup of coffee, get ready for Christmas, and get glam with me. I hope you guys have a very, very blessed and Merry Christmas. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to prime my eyelids. Let me give you guys a little bit of a zoom. I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to work on my eyes first because I'm going to be using some glitter and I don't really want that all over my foundation. So just going to take that and blend that all out. So I'm thinking for today's look, I want to do something on the gold side. Today is Christmas Eve, but I'm filming this, so I'm getting ready for a Christmas party to go to. And just taking some of my translucent powder and setting that down as well. Okay, taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to work with the transition shades. And I'm going to go in with these two first shades right here, blending that on and in my crease. You guys have seen me do this a million times already. Just working that right into the crease. Building up the pigmentation and intensity that we want. So I'm thinking something very bronzy, very gold. Something Christmassy. Going in with this shade right here. It's like a brown, warm tone shade. And really working this into the crease. What are some of the things that you guys asked for Christmas? Leave them down in the comments. I would love to see what is on your guys' list this year. It was hard for me to pick what I wanted. I feel like I didn't really need anything, but I know a few of my Christmas presents already, just because I went shopping with my boyfriend and I got an all black and white Adidas outfit, which I'm super excited to wear. I'm thinking about wearing that on Christmas because Christmas Eve we go to like my boyfriend's family's house, or not really a house, but we go and spend time with their family, and then on my Christmas, like Christmas Day, I'm with my family and I don't really feel like I need to get dressed up. So I'll do the dressing up for today and then be bummy tomorrow and comfy. So going in with a clean brush and just blending everything into the crease. Building up the intensity, I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade right here on a more shorter haired brush and packing that on the very outer corner. Now for the start of the show, I'm going in with one of my Morphe little paint, like metallic eyeshadows, using the shade Flare. And I'm going to work this right on the inner corner. And I just put some down. I'm going to take a little flat brush and start packing this. Kind of like a half cut crease kind of deal. Perfect. Now, since that's kind of wet, I'm going to take my gold little shimmer flecks from MAC and pack these on as well. I don't really know if we need to be this glittery, but we're going to be that glittery. We're going to be festive. And this is probably going to make a mess. Wow, that is very glittery. Okay, going back in with this warm brown shade, we're going to start blending right over top of that glitter just so everything looks very seamless. I love festive eyeshadow looks. Like, I love the way that turned out. Alrighty. Gonna go in with my Neutrogena makeup wipe and clean up all of that. Gonna pop on some Ardell Wispies because those are classic. I wanted to use a very wispy lash today because I wanted you guys to be able to see the eyeshadow. To moisturize my face, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralize Charged Water. I love this for underneath my makeup because it's not too heavy. It's just the perfect amount of moisture. For my foundation today, I'm going to go in with my Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. And I'm going to take it on my Y6 foundation brush and start working this on the skin. So after I put that on my Y6 brush, I like to go in with my Beauty Blender and make sure everything is nice and blended out because nobody wants your foundation to look blotchy. I swear, using a glitter like makes everything look so much better in such a short amount of time. Like, you barely did anything to the eye, but that glitter just makes everything pop. This will probably be going up on Christmas Day, so if it does, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a blessed holiday, and hopefully you guys get everything that you want and celebrate Jesus, because that's what it's truly about. And hopefully this will give you some inspiration for your makeup look. You could slay for your family and friends. You can be like, I showed up and I look good. My favorite concealer ever, and it's Maybelline Fit Me. I use it in the shade Sand. I love the undertone. It's super yellow but also super brightening. That's why I like it. I feel like this is my favorite one because I don't like a super bright one underneath the eye. I'm not really into that trend anymore. So, just something, just enough. See how it just kind of blends seamlessly? Just enough, but also nothing too crazy where it looks white. So just because my nose ring's in the way, I'm going to take a little Morphe M173 brush and blend out around my nose. Alrighty, to set underneath the eyes, I'm going in with my Airspun Loose Setting Powder. And then I'm just going to blend that all out. I don't like anything. I don't like to bake too long, but... Alright, Alright, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in back with my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take a small little shader brush. And I'm going to take this dark brown shade and really work this right on the outer portion of the lower eye. And then taking a little shader brush and taking a transition shade. I'm going to blend that all out. Just to smudge out the bottom lash line, it makes such a difference. To coat the top and bottom lashes, like always, going in with my IT Cosmetics mascara. If I would have used a really bold lash, you guys wouldn't have been able to see a lot of the gold detail. Alright, so the eyes are completely finished. Now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to go in my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer and bronze up the skin. Taking my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I'm going to lay this down as our contour. So you want the outer portion of your face to be the darkest, so that's your contour, and the light to be very bright, and that's your highlight. So that is always a good tip to have, because you want the center of your face to be like beaming and glowing. So always remember that. Going in with my blush and just on the apples on my cheeks. Taking some highlight now, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild highlight and do the tops of my cheekbones. My nose, Cupid's bow, and I'm going to take some on my brow bone. To do the eyebrows, I don't do too much with them anymore since they're tinted, but I always go with my Anastasia Dip Brow, which is like empty, and just outline the very bottom to give them some definition and really arch them, and then fade them towards the front. Like I said, I don't do too much with them anymore. I feel like I used to like reshape them like crazy when I did my eyebrows, but now I kind of like the shape that they already are. I like that more natural look rather than drawn on. So the eyebrows are done. And then I'm going to go back in with this gold shade right here. And I'm going to put some on the very inner corners. Just to give a little bit of a highlight. And I'm going to take some of our highlight that we used and kind of just set where we just put that on the inner corner. Alrighty, for lips now, I'm going to go in with my red lip from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Dancer. To set, I'm going with my Morphe setting spray. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I also hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. Please have a very blessed and Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in my next video.